Follow along to make this sweet treat. Here's what you need: a terracotta pot, black acrylic paint, a sponge brush, Mod Podge, a circular brush, gold glitter, an adhesive shamrock shape, and Hershey Kisses in gold wrappers. Start by painting your entire pot black. Attach the outline of the shamrock to the side of the pot. Be sure that there are no air bubbles. Apply a thin layer of Mod Podge inside the outline and along the edge and side of the pot and sprinkle with gold glitter. Slowly remove the sticker and allow everything to dry. Fill with your candies and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.